Are you ready for the DIY Home Edition? I know I am. I'm Amy Sonnemann with PHOTOPLAY Paper, and I get the pleasure of introducing you to the DIY Home Edition designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 papers, a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, stencils, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as ephemera, and even a dies paper. Let's jump right in and take a look at each of the pieces that come in this collection. The DIY Home Edition collection kit includes 2 of each of the 6 papers you see here, as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. The Fix-It paper features the 4 by 6 as well as the 3 by 4 cut-aparts. The Drill It paper includes lots of great tools as well as nuts, screws, and bolts. The Saw It paper is perfect for using as 12-inch borders, cutting all of the strips apart and mixing and matching. The Paint It paper includes paint brushes, buckets, and more. This is the Stain It paper. Last but not least is the Measure It paper. The 12 by 12 element sticker sheet includes 12-inch borders, words, titles, icons, all of the fun things you might include in a DIY project. The ephemera kit is always a fan favorite. This kit includes tickets, words, frames, tags, tabs, even a journaling spot. We have this fun brick wall stencil. This would be perfect for mixed media, for layouts, as well as cards. It's 6 by 8, so it's very versatile for all sizes. We also have a stamp set, as well as the coordinating die, which is sold separately. And then this awesome die paper. So if you aren't a stamper, you can pick up the die paper and a set of dies, and you can cut out all of these great images to use on cards, on layouts, or even party favors. This is the perfect collection to document your home renovation. I can't wait to see what you do with this amazing collection. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.